shocking video advertising facts to consider. Adding video ads on your landing pages can increase your conversions by a whopping 80%, regardless of your target niche. There are 4 times more consumers who would rather watch a video about a product than reading about it. Not only that, but 46% of people end up taking some sort of action or purchasing decision after viewing a video ad. On average, people spend up to 260% more time on pages with video content and 88% more time on websites where they know that they will find video content. That effect doesn't diminish when such videos are video ads. And in fact, it's being found that people favor video ads over display ads on a website. Now, that doesn't mean that you should ditch your banner ads anytime soon, as it has been shown that combining video ads with page display ads boosts ad engagement by 22%. Research on consumer response to online advertising has found that 71% of people like and prefer funny video ads, and that they make people more likely to remember the business, product, or service promoted in the video ad. Other video ad categories fare well below funny video ads when it comes to consumer preference, with educational video ads at 12%, sexy video ads at 8%, serious video ads at 4%, and patriotic video ads at 3%. The reason why video ads are such a powerful online advertising force is because targets retain 95% of your marketing message when they watch it on a video ad, whereas they only retain 10% of the message when they see it on a display ad or read it on a text ad. Businesses that use video ads as part of their overall advertising strategy get 27% higher click-through rates and 34% higher website conversion rates from their campaigns. Digital video ad spending in the U.S. more than doubled in the span of 4 years, with $5.96 billion in 2014 and $12.82 billion in 2018. 75% of online advertisers have stated that online video ads have been equally as and sometimes more effective than traditional television ads, and with almost double their impact on key measurement metrics that include message recall, brand recall, and ad likability. Video advertising has proven to work not only for business-to-consumer or B2C marketers, but also for business-to-business or B2B marketers, with over 96% of B2B companies integrating video advertising into their online marketing campaigns, with 73% of them reporting a positive return on investment. There are 53% of businesses reporting that using video advertising has not proven successful for them, which can be attributed to them targeting only one channel. The good news is that those that started to target additional channels saw positive results, with 47% of them that integrated video ads in their email campaigns seeing an 80% increase in effectiveness rate, and 87% of those doing so in their social media campaigns seeing a 78% increase in effectiveness rate.